What's happening, everyone? We have another video today on the ST. Today we're going to be fitting a new seat grab handle, as they keep snapping on my one. This is like my fourth one now, but I thought we'll just show you guys how to do it if you ever get stuck. I've seen a lot of videos where people have used 2 screwdrivers, but you need an extra person really to put it off when you do it like that. So we're going to do it with 1 today and show you how I managed to get my ones out. Okay, let's get to it. Okay, so what you want to do really is get the seat tilted forward like so, and round the other side. You should be able to just pull the headrest up and there'll be a little button. Push it in and pull. My one's a bit tight. Okay, there we go. Got a proper fight me there. Right, so once that's off, you'll need that so you can lever and not have that headrest get in the way. So you want to lever around this sort of area in the middle here. And once you do that, you'll hear that little click. And now I'll hold this like that. Put a screwdriver underneath in the same sort of area. It's a bit tight. Just got to be careful you don't destroy the lever. But if you want, you can sort of just go a little bit back. Okay, feels like I've got it. A little bit of persuasion, it should hopefully just come out. Okay, that still needs a bit more. They are fiddly, just got to be patient with it, unfortunately. Okay. Okay, so that's the old one. As you can see, he's a bit knackered. In this instance, I did snap the top one off, but again, it's broken. It doesn't really matter as such, whether you break it or not, because it's broken anyway. But that's how you would normally do it. But as you can see, it doesn't really matter because we've got a new one. Right, so what you're going to do now is either get a set of pliers or side cutters, pull the cable so the seat latches forward, so you have all this slack on it now. Right, so on an important part here, when I first did this was a bit of a nightmare. This little latch here popped in. It took ages for me to sort the actual seat out, because I kept putting the handle on and it wasn't actually latching in, because obviously it needs this to locate the actual handle. So once you've got all this out, cable lined up as such, just pull that forward, make sure you've got this black latch here sort of centered, and then we look around to make sure that it's above and below on both of them. Once you can assure that, it will start to just slide in place. Then once it is, just give it a tap like that, and it should, there you go, see how it's latching onto the cable now. You might have to do it a couple of times for it to locate. So in theory, you should put that down now. Yeah, working cable again. One more time. So just going over it, make sure the 2 little lugs poke out. If you see on the old one, obviously this one's broke. Make sure they go over the actual black locating lug, which will go into here. Just give it a whack and then test it a couple of times. Make sure the cable latches into place. Okay, so closer inspection on the actual handle itself. As you can see there, it is pretty battered. And also, if I do it the other side, isn't in the greatest shape whatsoever. But what you want to do, basically that black tab I was talking to you about on the seat as well, if you were a bit stuck, it will sit here So you want to locate it here, but have it so these two prongs will sit literally between them. So just say your tabs here, see how my finger sits in between? I know there's one missing, but that's what you want it to do basically. I wouldn't really recommend buying a genuine Ford one, because believe it or not, this is a genuine Ford one, and as you can see really from the condition of it, it's not very old. I've owned the car for what, 6 months now. I've been through like 4 of them. This is the first genuine Ford one I had. Wouldn't really recommend it again, so you're better off just buying the cheap ones, 2 for a tenner on eBay, and going from there really. That's all I have to really say about these. They're not great, so just be patient. I know we broke this one, but again, if it is broken, it doesn't really matter. But yeah, if you did like the video, guys, please give it a like. If you really liked it, subscribe, turn the notifications on, and I'll catch you in the next one.